Hey everyone, this tutorial is going to teach you how to search for courses on ACORN and add them to your enrollment cart. First, log into ACORN with your user ID. On July 5th, you'll be able to see your enrollment start time somewhere on this main dashboard. For example, if my enrollment start time says July 10th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, that's when I can log into ACORN and actually enroll into my courses. Before your enrollment day, you want to make sure you add courses to your enrollment cart so that on the day of, you can just click enroll. Some courses fill up quickly, and you want to make sure there are no time conflicts in your schedule. So it's an absolute must that you put courses into your cart beforehand. I'm currently taking summer courses, so I'll give you a quick demo for this summer session. Click on Enroll and Manage on the left side, and then go to Courses. Type in the course code or the name of the course. Click on it, and all the course details will show up. You can check prerequisites here, and you can check ordered exclusions for the course here. Each course has a lecture section, and some courses also have tutorials or practicals, so make sure you select a time for all the different sections of a course. In the summer, there's typically only one time slot available, so these are my only options. I'm going to select the time for both of them, and then I'm going to add it to enrollment cart. And then once I scroll down, this is my enrollment cart, and this is what I currently have in it. So as you can see, the times that I selected have saved, and since I'm already in the summer session, I can go ahead and click enroll. For you, you'll initially just add courses to your cart, and it won't be until your exact enrollment time that you can click enroll. Also, once the fall semester starts and you're actually in your courses, if you want to CR NCR or drop a course, click the settings icon next to that course and then click whichever option you want. If at any time you have concerns about a course you're taking, definitely reach out to the registrar's office for guidance. Another thing you might encounter on enrollment day is that you have a course selected and ready to go in your enrollment cart, but all the spaces have already filled up by the time your enrollment time started. So there will be an option to add yourself to the waitlist for that course, and you can see what rank you are, which shows how many people are ahead of you in that waitlist. In the first few weeks of the semester, if people drop that course, you will move up the waitlist and hopefully be able to enroll. This is another reason why it's important to put courses into your cart beforehand, so that you select the times you want and don't have to worry about time conflicts, and also make sure you have backup courses prepared in case you can't enroll to one of the courses that you wanted. Make sure to check out our course timetable tutorial as well to see how you can actually plan out your schedule for the semester. Hope you found this helpful.